Hello students, I am Malka Sharma, your General Knowledge teacher. Today, in this video, we will discuss two topics. First topic is plant parts we eat, and second topic is just around you. So let's start our first topic, plant parts we eat. Students, we always say that plants are very important for us. We get many things from plants. They are the main source of our food. We get fruits and vegetables from them. So, what are these fruits and vegetables? We know the green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, and air. Some food is used by them for their own growth. But what happens to the extra food left behind? They don't have refrigerators like us to store their food. So, what do they do for their extra food? Different plants store extra food in different parts of them. Some plants store their extra food in the fruit, like in the mango tree. The extra food prepared by the tree is stored in mango fruit, and we all love to eat mangoes. Students, do you know one fact? Tomato, capsicum, and brinjal are fruits and not vegetables. Isn't it interesting? Some vegetables like carrot, radish we eat are actually roots. Same way, turnip, beetroot are all roots. Observe all these roots carefully. They are all swollen, unlike the roots of other plants. So, why are the roots of these plants swollen? Let us try to understand this. The carrot, radish, beetroot plants store their extra food in their roots, and hence it becomes swollen and we eat these roots. That is the extra food of the plant. Can we eat stems of certain plants? Yes, ginger is underground stem which we use in our food. Students, from which part of the plant we get sugar? Yes, we get sugar from the juicy stems of the sugarcane plants. Similarly, we think the leaves are just meant for plant-eating animals like cow, goat, horse, etc. But we humans also eat many kinds of leaves as vegetables. The cabbage, coriander, mint, spinach, all are leaves of different plants. In fact, tea is also a leaf of the tea plant. Are flowers just good for smelling and seeing? No, we also eat certain flowers as vegetables. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers. We eat them as vegetables. Surprising, isn't it? Students, you may find it strange, but vegetables are actually different parts of plants which we eat, like leaves, stem, roots, and even flowers. Many of us think seeds cannot be eaten, but actually our main food, that is cereals and pulses, consist mostly of the plant's seeds. Rice is the seed of rice plant. Even the pulses we eat along with the rice or chapati, like gram, lentil seeds, arhar, etc., are the seeds of various plants. Not just rice, peas, corn, soybean, peanuts are some seeds we use as food. How about coffee? Any guess? Children, we get coffee from the seeds of coffee plant. Many nuts we eat like cashew nut, almond, walnut, pistachio, etc. are also seeds. Spices that add flavor to our food like pepper, clove, cumin, chili, cardamom, etc. also come from the plants. A spice is nothing but a dried seed or fruit or a root or a stem of the plant. Interesting fact about banana tree. Every part of the banana plant can be used. The stem, flowers and fruits are eaten. The banana leaves are used as plates for eating in some parts of the world. Do we see the various parts of the plant like roots, stems, leaves, fruits, seeds are not only important to the plants for its growth but also for us, as we eat many of these parts of the plant as our food. So, plants are very important for us and we should take care of them. Students, our second topic is just around you. In this topic, you will learn about some places which are around you in your city and you sometimes visit them. Students, look at this picture. It is a place where you can go to see a cricket match. Which is this place? Yes, it is a stadium. I repeat, a stadium is a place where you would go to see a cricket match. Next is multiplex. Multiplex is a building where different movies are shown at the same time. I repeat, multiplex is a building where different movies are shown at the same time. Students, where you can see many wild animals together. Yes, answer is zoo. Students, zoo is a place where wild animals are kept so that people can see them. I repeat, zoo is a place where wild animals are kept so that people can see them. Next is gymnasium. Gymnasium is a place where people do physical exercise using different machines. I repeat, gymnasium is a place where people do physical exercise using different machines. Next is highway. Highway is a main road that connects one city to another. National Highway NH7 is the longest highway in India that connects Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Repeating again, a main road that connects one city to another is called highway. National Highway NH7 is the longest highway in India that connects Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Next is pathology. Pathology is a place where you can give your blood sample for testing. I repeat, pathology is a place where you can give your blood sample for testing. Next place is prison. Prison is a place where criminals are kept. It is also called lockup. I repeat, a prison is a place where criminals are kept. It is also called lockup. Children, look at this picture. This is the picture of a court. A court is a place where a judge gives judgment on legal cases. I repeat, a court is a place where a judge gives judgment on legal cases. Now, I am concluding the class. I hope all of you have understood the concept of the lesson very well. Now I am giving you some exercises on these topics. Please complete your worksheet in your copy and learn properly.
First worksheet of topic 1, Plants part we eat, page number 80. First question is, we eat different parts of plant. Give 2 examples of each. First root, second stem, third fruit, fourth leaf, fifth seed, sixth flower. You have to give 2 examples of each. Second question is, take the correct option. First, tea is a seed or leaf. Second, tomato is a fruit or flower. Third, coffee is a root or seed. Fourth, cauliflower is a flower or leaf. Fifth, sugarcane is a root or stem. You have to take in correct option. Second worksheet is topic 2, just around you, page number 19. Read the clues and solve the puzzle. Across, number 2, also called lockup, criminals are kept here. Number 4, a place where you would go to see a cricket match. 6, a building where different movies are shown at the same time. 8, a place where wild animals are kept so that people can see them. Down, number 1, a place where people do physical exercise using different machines. Third, a place where a judge gives judgment on legal cases. Fifth, a main road that connects one city to another. 7, a place where you can give your blood sample for testing. So children, complete this worksheet and answers are given in the next worksheet. First, do your answer yourself and then match your answers with the given answer sheet. In topic 2, after reading the clues, fill your answer across and down properly and learn spelling. Thank you students. See you in next class.